going to target every single area of our abs and our core because we are throwing 20 different exercises at it in just 10 minutes. This really is the ultimate ab challenge, and one of my huge lean philosophies is that we always need to keep changing it up to make sure we keep making progress, which is exactly what we're going to do today regarding our abs and our core. So I want you to be really, really excited about this challenge, and all I ask is you have a nice big smile on your face, subscribe to the channel so you never miss another workout again, and also read the description below about the upcoming 30-day challenge, because I promise you this much: if you love today's workout, you are going to love the challenge. I take you through every single workout over the course of 30 days alongside thousands of other squatties, and I promise you it is one of the most rewarding physical and also mental journeys we can ever do. All right, squatties? So without further ado, let's get excited about today's 10-minute ab challenge. All we are going to start with doing is bird dog crunches. So we're going to be in a tabletop position. We're going for 20 seconds. Nice strong core, right hand on head, left leg is extended back, squeezing that glute, and we're going to crunch in, really exaggerating that crunch, knee to elbow for 20 seconds. Then we're going to switch sides, and then this lean party is officially started. All right, squatties? So without further ado, in 3, in 2, in 1, here we go. Hand on head, leg back, squeezing that glute. It's really important you activate that glute as well as exaggerate that crunch when you come on in. There we go, knee to elbow, good quality reps. There we go, 3, 2, 1, other side. Left hand on head to right knee, crunching down, squeezing that right glute. Come on, 10 seconds. And all you have to do today is just give your best effort. 2, 1, and I guarantee you're going to be making progress. Next up is feet on the ground, arms are straight. Arms are straight out. You're going to bring that knee up, twisting at the same time, looking the opposite direction, back down for 20 seconds. Then we're going to go into heel slides, okay? 2, 1, arms straight, and really exaggerate that twist. Swinging those arms, driving that knee towards you, touching the inside of your heel there. 10 seconds. Feel that in your obliques. There we go. Really targeting every single muscle in our core today. 2, 1, heel slides. Back flat, shoulders slightly elevated, really, really crunching down. I want you to literally think about squeezing your obliques every time you reach down. Now pick up that tempo. 1 rep is going to lead to a little more leanness. Push yourself today. 2, 1. Awesome work. Next up, straight leg sit up with a toe touch, then flutter kicks. So feet wide apart, hands behind head. We're going to come up and reach for the toe. If you can't reach for the toe, just reach as far as you can, just like that. In 3, 2, 1. Really swing up with your hands. And if this is too challenging, I just want you to go to crunches. But let's push ourselves now. Come on, we want to get as many reps as we possibly can. You're not competing against me or anyone else, you're just challenging yourself. 2, 1, hands behind butt, legs straight, flutter kicks. And again, I've just got my shoulders slightly off the mat. There we go, feel that in your core. This is what's changing while we're elevating that heart rate. That's really the key today. Not only are we mixing it up with so many different exercises, 2, 1, let out a lean scream there. We're gonna keep that heart rate high so we also burn through a ton of fat. Starting with this exercise, which is crossbody mountain climbers, hands planted, driving your knees across, really twisting in the core. Then we're gonna go into plank jacks. So huge set here, lifting that heart rate. 2, 1, challenging that core. Come on, get excited now. You never wanna be doing just low intensity abs. That's not how you transform your core. And that does not give you that mental transformation either, because it's not challenging, it's not rewarding. 2, 1, plank jacks. Feet in and out, butt low. Come on, just keep doing your best. Remember, if you have to take breaks today, 100% okay. That means you're challenging yourself. That means you'll be making progress. 5 seconds, come on, keep pushing. 3, 2, 1. Oh my gosh, we got knee ins, So line on our right side first, hand on head, feet in, and we're gonna be crunching in just like that. I'm pressing out with my hand. Again, focusing on those obliques. Remember, whatever is hard for you is going to be lean for you. 2, 1, just go 1 rep at a time. You're not trying to get as many reps as me. You're just trying to push yourself. We're doing it together, but it's an individual journey. There we go. Come on, 5 seconds. Here we go. Dig deep with me. 3, 2, 1. Other side. Switch over. It's like a breakdancing move. Just twisting into the other side. Really crunchy. Come on. 10 seconds, squatties. Here we go. Come on, push, push, push. 5 seconds. 3, 2, 1. Oh my gosh. Holy smokes. All right, next one is another challenging one. We're gonna be in the boat hold position, so hands at side. You're actually gonna have your feet out, and we're gonna be crunching in just like that. Knees pointing out. If that's too hard, I just want you going straight leg. 2, 1. There we go. Really extend out and see how I'm rocking back. It's a tough one. But those things that challenge us most always give us the biggest rewards. Come on, really extend. Really push yourself. 3, 2, 1. Little crunches. Just sliding your hands up. Pretend you're being pulled up by a little string there. Just lifting that upper torso off the mat. Oh, you're really gonna feel the burn now. Keep breathing. Come on, 3, 2, 1. Awesome work. Holy smokes. All right, we got side plank, reach throughs. Okay, up on our right arm. Remember, you can do this with your right leg, knee on the ground, or alternatively full range, okay? Remember, the theme is whatever is hard for you is lean for you. 2, 1, we all have to start somewhere. The most important thing is you just start. So reaching through, whether that knee is on the ground, you're full range, keeping that hip up, reaching as far as you can. Again, really targeting the entire core. Come on, 3, 2, 1. Switch sides right away. Awesome work. Again, reaching through. You can have that knee planted, or you can be full range. 10 seconds to go. Awesome work. There we go. That heart rate is nice and high. These core muscles are all working. 2, 1. Oh my gosh. All right, hold. Lean resist squatties. We're going double snap burpee, okay? Then we're going mountain climber march. For the double snap, I want your feet in line with your hands here. So shoulder width apart, coming up and back. Then mountain climber march for the last 20. 2, 1, come on, let's really pick up that tempo. Like I said, this is the real secret to transforming your core, your tummy. We need to burn the fat. We need to keep the tempo high. And it's also really strengthened as well. Send those feet back. 2, 1, mountain climber march. Walk those feet up. Extend them back. Keep that butt low. There we go, squatties. Awesome work. Come on, 10 seconds to go. Remember, it's okay to take breaks. Just hop back in when you can. 2, 1. Holy smokes. We've got leg raises, and then we're going hip raise with the twist. So today I really wanted to challenge you guys. Throw in a bunch of different difficult exercises. Leg raises first, and then hip raise with the twist. We don't come down. 2, 1. If leg raises are too hard, I want you bent leg, okay? But if you're feeling good, keep those legs straight. 10 seconds. Mount fire's optional. Wow, my core is on fire now. 5 seconds. Then we're going with the hip raise and twist. 2, 1. So hips in the air, twist as you press up those soles of your feet towards the ceiling. And you really see how we're really challenging the core. Constantly keeping it guessing. Come on. 3, 2, 1. Last one. 1. Holy smokes. Oh my gosh, squads. This is a 1 minute lean warning, just like that. Nearly done 20 different exercises. First one, plank with crossbody mountain climbers. So driving that knee on your forearms across. You can also just hold the plank or on your knees. 2, 1, whatever is hard for you is lean for you. Come on, here we go. Drive those knees across. Let's push ourselves. 10 seconds to go. And then we're going plank with the hip dips. Again, you can do that on your knees or full range. Here we go, last little bit. 2, 1, there we go. Dropping those hips side to side. One last challenge for this core. Holy smokes, come on. If it gets too tough, just hold that plank on your knees. Come on, stay with me. 5 seconds, let's all finish together. 3, 2, 1. Oh my gosh, a bit sweaty mat hug here. Holy smokes, guys. That is how you do your core, and that really is how you target every single area. I really hope you enjoyed this session. Make sure you comment below, thumbs up, subscribe to the channel, and also, again, if you love this session, if you love the variety, that is the only way I do things in our challenges. Always keep you guys guessing, always keep challenging you, and please, 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 don't hesitate. Join now, because I guarantee you, it will change your life. It's already changed thousands of others, and it's the most rewarding journey I've ever been a part of. So proud that you got this done. Give me a nice, lean, sweaty comment below, squatties, and I'll see you back for the next workout. Woo!